Breathing in, oxygen enters the body.
Every breath you take brings oxygen into your lungs. When you inhale, air travels down the windpipe and into smaller airways, finally reaching tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, oxygen begins its journey. Alveoli have thin walls and are surrounded by capillaries, which are tiny blood vessels ready to absorb oxygen and start transporting it throughout your body.
Oxygen transfer from alveoli to blood.
Inside the alveoli, oxygen passes through the thin walls and moves into the blood in nearby capillaries. This transfer happens because oxygen concentration is higher in the alveoli and lower in the blood, creating a gradient. Hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells, picks up oxygen and binds to it, effectively capturing oxygen for delivery to your tissues.
Traveling the bloodstream, oxygen's ride.
Once bound to hemoglobin, oxygen is carried through the bloodstream. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the rest of the body via arteries. Arteries branch into smaller vessels called capillaries, bringing oxygen-packed red blood cells close to every body cell. This delivery system ensures that even distant tissues receive the oxygen they need.
Delivery to cells, oxygen unloads.
When red blood cells reach the body's tissues, the oxygen concentration in the blood is higher than within cells. This difference causes oxygen to detach from hemoglobin and move into nearby cells. Cells absorb this oxygen and use it for vital processes, especially generating the energy needed to function and survive.
The cycle continues. Carbon dioxide exits.
As cells use oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide as a waste product. This carbon dioxide diffuses into the blood, binds to hemoglobin, and is carried back to the lungs. There, it is released and exhaled. This ongoing cycle ensures your body receives oxygen and removes waste efficiently, keeping you healthy with every breath you take.